Hello, this is Mrs. Schwallace here to talk to you today about the schwa. The schwa is an unexpected vowel sound. So when you're reading or you're writing a word and the vowel makes a sound that you wouldn't expect it to make, it's a schwa. And the schwa symbol looks like an upside down E. So to write the upside down E, I do a little line like this and then go around like this. So there are lots of rules that will help you remember where you might find a schwa, and we're going to be talking about them in this video. So I want you to listen to this word and ask yourself which syllable has the accent or the stress in it. So it kind of is like the syllable that has like the punch to it. All right, so just listen to this word, and it's either the first syllable or the second syllable that has the accent or the stress. Ready? Lemon. Lemon. Do you see how you hear the first syllable has lemon, has the accent or the stress to it? So the thing about the schwa is that the schwa is usually never in the stressed syllable. So I like to think of it as the schwa is relaxed, it's never stressed, so it's never in that stressed syllable. So the word lemon, the first syllable, which is stressed, doesn't have the schwa in this case, but the second unaccented one does. So listen to the way you would spell lemon. If I was spelling this on my own, it sounds like lim, L-E-M, lim-un. That sounds like a U up, So it's not. So the second syllable has the schwa. So here's how to write the word lemon here. So the first syllable, lem, has an expected vowel sound. It has the short E sound. So this is a closed syllable, pretty standard closed syllable here. The second syllable, lim-un, lemon, this sounds like All right, we know that the O, we expect to say ah if it's short or O if it's long, but not So is the schwa in this one because it sounds like a short U, or depending on how you say it, it could sound like a short I, lemon. All right. This is still a closed syllable though because it's closed in by the consonant. So lemon, it's the schwa, is the O, it's in the unaccented syllable. The second thing that will help you is if you are going to write a word and you hear that the unaccented or the unstressed syllable ends like it. All right? And it's unaccented, that it's probably not an IT, it's probably an ET. Okay, so that's something that's very common with a schwa. So looking at the example here, the word bucket. So the word bucket, it sounds like this, but that looks totally wrong. So if you look at this, the first syllable, bucket. Bucket. The first syllable is accented or stressed. So if there's a schwa here and it ends in the it sound, it's probably an ET. So try the ET first to see if that's the one. All right. So in that case, it is. So we see here also the first syllable has a k sound in it. Now we know that there are three ways to make the k sound. There's the C, the CK, and the K. Right? So how did we know that this was a CK here? Well, we know because this U is short. So if it's in a syllable where you have a vowel followed by a k sound, if the vowel is short, like here, it's going to be CK. All right, so in this case, we have a short U followed by a CK, and then we have the sound it. All right, we know that that is going to be a schwa because it's not making the expected vowel sound. So try an ET at the end if you hear that it in the unaccented syllable. Now it's your turn to try. Do the next videos to do some dictation with me with the schwa.